In this video, I want to share with you some low competition Hanukkah niches. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Before I share with you the low competition Hanukkah niches, I just want to do a quick sales update. So for the month, right now, it is the 15th of October and sitting at 700 or about 800 bucks for the month. The other day was pretty rough. I actually ended up doing 18 sales, but ended up with a negative $3.12. So that was a pretty rough day. I basically had a big order, like a $35 order that canceled. They bought like 5 shirts and they all canceled. So that was a little disappointing, but that's how it goes on merch or just in business in general. You're going to have good days, bad days. You know, it's all about how you respond, you know. So I came back yesterday with a nice $54 day, which was nice. And right now it is about 5 p.m. and I'm sitting at $36 for today, so we'll see how things end. If you want to see my daily sales update, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. I post daily sales, my sales from yesterday. I also do them for Etsy as well, gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life in Mexico and things like that. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. But now let's get into those low competition Hanukkah niches I was talking about. And the first one that I have for you is I'm just here for the latkes. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I believe a latke is some type of potato pancake. If we go back to Amazon, we're going to see there's only 33 results for this phrase right here. I'm just here for the latkes. And some of them are, just text. You know, you can get some clip art, but right here we're going to see like these all have BSRs. This one has a 261 climate pledge friendly BSR. You see it's a pretty good design. They got the nice border at the top, bottom, and they're using some clip arts. But this one right here, just basic text. You can do that in Canva and Photoshop pretty easily. Now there isn't a third page, so I can't show you because there's only 33 results. So, low in competition. When we go to test to see if this is trademarked, I'm just here for the latkes. We're going to see nothing pops up. And when I go to Etsy, I didn't find any with this actual phrase, which was I actually thought was kind of suspicious. But I just saw a lot of like, I'm just here for the booze, I'm just here for the snacks. So, maybe this could be a good opportunity on Etsy because I don't see any with this phrase. When we go to Redbubble, we're going to see there's only 3 results. Looks like this design is the same one that we just saw right here on merch. But 3 results on Redbubble, that's really low. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see that there's not really any designs either for this phrase. A lot of them are these I'm just here for the booze ones. So it could be a good opportunity for us on TeePublic as well. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, you can actually find some designs right here and some clip art. Link is in the description if you're interested. But that is the first niche that I have for you. The first low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you. It is I'm just here for the latkes. And then the second low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you is Chala at your girl. I think I'm saying that right. If you don't know what chala is, it's some type of bread that's similar to a brioche. When we go to Amazon, we're going to see, again, there's only 37 results, so kind of similar to like the last one. Again, simple, easy to design. You just use some text. You can also get some clip art. Again, we're seeing the same type of design where they have like the border at the top and at the bottom. These are selling. They don't have the best BSRs, but they will get you some extra sales during the month of Hanukkah. Now, these will get lower as we get closer towards December. Now, there isn't a third page, so I can't show you. So we can see that this is very low in competition. But when we go to test to see if this is trademarked, Chala at your girl, we're going to see that nothing pops up. Now, something else that I saw about this niche, it doesn't have to be Chala at your girl. It could be Chala at your boy as well, or maybe even mom, dad, I don't know. But I definitely saw girl and boy as examples. When we go to Etsy, we're going to see the competition is very low, only 17 results, Chala at your girl. And if we go to Redbubble, competition is also low, only 45 results. And if we go to TeePublic, this is where I saw that they're also doing it at your boy or at your girl. So you could do it for both men and women. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, we're going to see you get some designs here. You just have to check to see if it comes with the print-on-demand special license. But that is the second low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you. And then the third low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you is Manorasarus. I think I'm saying that right. Here the competition does go up a little bit higher, but still only 202. And when we go to the third page, we're going to see that it's still only 202 results for this keyword, as you can see right here. And I think this is a really good niche, one, because just like anytime you can take a holiday that's coming up and cross niche it with any type of dinosaur or T-Rex. We've just seen, like, if you've been on merch for a while, you've just probably seen that those designs tend to sell very well. And right here we're going to see that they all have BSRs. This one has a 360 climate pledge friendly BSR. And if we go to test to see if this phrase is trademarked, we are going to see that one does pop up, but it's actually been canceled or dead, and it's in not even the clothing category, so candle holders. So this is safe. But if we go to Etsy, we're going to notice for this keyword right here, only 905 results. Redbubble, we're looking at only 58 results. That's really low. TeePublic, we don't see how many results there are, but we can just take a look at kind of the designs. Seems like a popular style is having a T-Rex with the candles on its back. I wasn't really able to find, actually no, this one right here. When I first checked, nothing popped up, but look at this. We got some designs right here that you can use. This actually looks like a whole clip art, or bundle, I mean, right here. So we get some good stuff right there. Do they come with yes, and they do come with a special license print on demand. So this could be something that could be beneficial for us. When you design for this, I would recommend that you select the youth, because it's going to be probably, young boys that are going to be wanting to wear these kind of dinosaur shirts. So that is the third low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you. It is this phrase that I'm probably not even saying right, Menarosaurus. And then the next niche that I have for you is nice, naughty, Jewish. And this is actually a pretty popular design style that you can actually scale. You're going to see a lot of these type of designs. I'll probably make another video just showing you all the different types of niches, or different types of niches that you can put in here. But right here we're going to see it's nice, naughty, and Jewish. There's only 145 results. When we go to the third page, we're going to see that there is still only 145 results. This niche is pretty easy to design for, and we can see that it is selling with all the BSRs. Again, as we get closer to Hanukkah, the BSRs will start to get lower. When we go to test to see if this is trademarked, nice, naughty, and Jewish, nothing is going to pop up. A lot of the colors that I saw for this niche were like blue and yellow, so you might want to incorporate those when you're designing for this. Right here you can see yellow and blue. On Etsy, we're going to see the competition is only 765. And when we go to Redbubble, competition is only at 25 results, which is pretty low. And TeePublic, again, doesn't show us how many results, but a lot of these designs you can do for, or I would recommend that you do for t-shirts and also for, like, the sweatshirts, because these ugly Christmas sweatshirts, I'll probably do another video on that as well, tend to do very well during the holiday season. And then if we go to Create a Fabric to see if there's any designs we can get, we can see right here, we have some designs like this one looks pretty good right here. You could probably use that. Again, you just have to check to make sure that it comes with this print-on-demand special license. But that is the fourth low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you. It is nice, naughty, Jewish. And then moving right along, the fifth low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you is this phrase right here. It's kind of funny, nice Jewish boy. You always used to see in the movies, they would say, "Oh, he's such a nice little Jewish boy." So that's probably where that comes from. We can see there's a little more competition, 452 results, but still low. If we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 452 results. Pretty easy to design for. Some of them are just text like this, but you can also add in clip art. You can do this style right here. We can see that these are selling. They have BSRs. They have reviews. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, actually I already popped it in. Right here we're going to see there's one that pops up, but it's actually dead. You see right here it says dead right here. And it actually is in the t-shirt category 025. But since it is dead, that means, we're allowed to upload, or it's not live basically, so we won't get in trouble if we upload to this niche. In my course, I teach you how to understand and read trademarks. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. But if we take a look at the competition on Etsy, only 37 results, very low, very, very low. And if we go to Redbubble, competition is also pretty low, 163, pretty low in my opinion. And if we go to TeePublic, we will see what some of the designs look like. And if we go to Create a Fabric, we can actually see some designs right here that we can use, and they both come with the print-on-demand special license. So that is the fifth low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you. It is nice Jewish boy. And then the sixth low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you is I Cheat at Dral. So I believe Dral is something that you play with. You kind of spin it, you use it for a game, and we're going to see that there's only 10 results, so very low in competition. Right here we're going to see what some of the designs look like. they all got, or 3 of them at the top here have reviews. They're selling. They have BSRs. This one has a 523,000 climate pledge friendly BSR. I got to make sure that I say that because sometimes some people will call me out in the comments. But we can see that this niche is very low in competition and it is selling. And if we take a look at the third page, which actually isn't because it's so low, so I can't show you the third page. But if I go to test, we're going to see I cheat at Dral, and nothing pops up. Competition on Etsy, 535. Competition on Redbubble, only 15 results, really low. And TeePublic, we will see what the designs look like. Lots of blues I'm seeing. And if we go to Creative Fabric, I couldn't find any actually t-shirt designs for this phrase, so I just was able to find some clip art. So you can take some of this clip art right here, add some text on the top and at the bottom, and there you go. You have a design ready for merch by Amazon. So that is the 6th low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you. It is I Cheat at Dral. And then the last low competition Hanukkah niche that I have for you is Jud Off right here. So this is basically a play on words. Instead of saying Rudolph the reindeer, it's Jud Off the reindeer. We're going to see super low in competition, only 22 results. There isn't a third page, so I can't show you. Oh, I got a sale on Etsy. This is what some of the designs look like. We're going to see that this is selling. Again, these will get lower as we get closer to Hanukkah. 645,000 BS climate pledge friendly BSR. And when we take a look at test to see if this is trademarked, nothing pops up. Competition is low on Etsy, only 637 results for this keyword. For this keyword on Redbubble, we're going to only see 4 results. TeePublic, nothing pops up here. And if we go to Creative Fabrica, we can see there's actually a design right here that we can use. So if you're looking for like designs or clip art for your designs, check out Creative Fabrica. I have an affiliate link in my description. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, I do get a small commission. But in my opinion, Creative Fabrica is probably the best resource for us merch by Amazon and print-on-demand sellers. They have fonts, graphics, AI. They have courses, a whole POD section, and a bundle section. So if you're interested in that, the link is going to be in the description. And then also, if you're struggling to get sales on merch by Amazon or even on Redbubble, I have 2 courses on Udemy. The links are in the description. Basically, they're good for like beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on merch by Amazon. I will teach you how I get sales like this right here. I hold nothing back. I give you all the secret sauce. But yeah, so if you're interested in those courses, links will be in the description. And if I can remember, I'll have them as a pinned comment. And then if you're looking for more niche ideas, check out my channel. Just go to videos right here. I put out a bunch of like trending niches, evergreen niches, low competition niches. So if you're kind of stuck and you don't know what to design for, basically, like this one seems to be doing really well. It's almost at 1,000 views. This one's good because it's a bunch of 2024 niches, so it's low in competition, but pretty much all of these are low in competition right here. Those are the ones I like to focus on. So check these out. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, click the bell, like the video, and then comment below. I love reading your comments. I like connecting with you guys, so make sure to comment. Tell me which niche you think is good or bad. I read all of your comments, and I will respond to every single one of them. I want to thank everybody that has been buying the courses and supporting me, and just supporting the channel. I'm almost monetized. Little by little, I'm getting there. Need about 1,000 more hours of watch time, so hopefully by the end of this month, I can get monetized. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. All right, you guys have a good day. And again, thanks so much for watching the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Adios.